name's Jason Hopper, doing these questions here for the sake of speed. I went ahead and wrote this down real fast. This is the first question that I'm asked to do. Alright, and it's basically finding everything that I can do with cosine square b minus cosine b equals 0. The key here is to factor. Once you factor it out, it's cosine b times cosine b minus 1 equals 0. Splitting that between 2, we've got cosine b equals 0. And then if we look on the unit circle for cosine, what equals 0 on the unit circle, we get b equals pi over 2 and 3 pi over 2 for one part of the answer. For cosine b minus 1, you'd add 1 to both sides, get cosine b equals 1. The cosine of 1 on the unit circle would be 0, or you could also do 2 pi, but in this part I don't think 2 pi goes with it. So your answers for here are going to be b can equal 0, pi over 2, or 3 pi over 2. As for the next question, it'll be question number 3, and it's going to be sine a minus pi over 5 equals 1/2. Alright, and for this one we're going to put this in 2. Got a minus, give me 1 second here, a minus pi over 5 equals, and for sine 1/2, you have an option of pi over 6 or 5 pi over 6, which I'm going to do both of them here, but let's start with pi over 6. We'll do pi over 6 plus 2 pi k. I'm going to add pi over 5 to both sides, and you would come to a is equal to, after you get your lowest common denominator between 2, which is 30, you get 11 pi over 30 plus 2 pi k. And that's one answer for it. Your other answer for it, a minus pi over 5 equals 5 pi 6 plus 2 pi k. Add your pi over 5 to both sides, and you'd get a equals, again, least common denominator is 30. This will be 31 pi plus 2 pi k. That would be your secondary answer. So for this one here, your two answers for A is 11 pi over 30 plus 2 pi k, and 31 pi over 30 plus 2 pi k. And that would be your answer for it. Thank you.